I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how to finesse your smoky eye look. Yeah, I know smoky eye is a pretty common look that has been around even way before the whole makeup craze started, but hey, many people don't know how to do smoky eye. They don't know how to get it right, and many people just settle for slathering black eyeshadow on their eyelids and going their way. But anybody can do this kind of smoky eye, the professional ones you see on the red carpet. And I personally love smoky eye looks. There was the time I only did smoky eye look, and one of the main reasons why I love the look so much is because it's something that is so wearable. You can wear it to a party, a wedding, you can wear it to even a formal event, corporate event, and you can always control it and add colors to it however you like. So if you like how I finesse this smoky eye, if you like my look, stay tuned to see how I achieved it. So I've done all my face makeup, and the first thing I always do before any eyeshadow application is to do my eyes concealer. So I use this powder to set, my Beauty by AD powder, and of course my favorite concealer, Zaron. So this is the bare base. It's very important to have a very good base. So smoky eye application starts with a black base. Okay, you can use any black eyeshadow base, black pencil, gel liner. You can't use liquid liner though. So I like to use gel liner because I think it gives a very good black peak application that I like. You want your smoky eye to pop there. So the first thing I do is to apply it on my lid. Now in this application you have to be very careful not to apply it too high, because we're going to do a whole lot of blending and we don't want it to be all over the place. The fact that it's a smoky eye doesn't mean it has to be messy. This is where you control how serious your smoky eye is. So I apply this on my lid and I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, okay, here, and blend it. Just pat on it this way. So what I do next is to do my crease. Okay, so the crease is a very important part of smoky eye application, because you want to use this to shape the kind of smoky eye look you want. If you want just a neutral one, for women of color with warm undertones like myself, I prescribe like brown orange tones, and it goes with almost every look anyways, if you are so skeptical about what to use. But if you're going to like do a purple smoky, because this is a base for any type of smoky eye you want to do, so if you're going to do a purple smoky pinkish color on the lips, or pink blush or something, you can use like purple tones and deep plum tones as your crease color, just the way you do your normal eyeshadow. So anyways, I always start with my cacao powder. Okay, it's a great crease color for any eyeshadow look and it's easier to blend. So I just apply it at the perimeter like so and go in, just using a normal eyeshadow crease brush. So I'm applying the cacao powder in a windshield motion this way, okay, swiping it all over my lid. This is my primary transition color. I make sure that it joins with the where you stop the black eyeliner, so they just merge into each other. You're going with your blending brush and blend properly.
I don't become a child of.
I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, so I like this palette because it contains a lot of bronzy shades that are, orange based and brown based. So I'm just going to take some of the shades and blend it into my face.
I just became a child of the world. I be child of the world.
Can you see how I'm blurring out the lines with this eyeshadow application? I'm using my coastal scent blending brush to blend everything in. Then I'm going to go with like one of the darkest shades in the palette. And just use that to define my crease further. Blend, 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 blend. Now that I've settled my crease, now I'm going to apply black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow you have. Okay, I'm using this shader brush because it's more easy to control and I love using it for smoky eye. So I'm just using a random black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow can work. So can you see how black it's getting already? So I'm applying this like so and blend. I'm using that elf that I initially used for the black to blend it. Don't carry it all the way up here. If you're not satisfied with how black it is, you can go over and over and over until you get the perfect black you want. I'm going to take some of those brownish shades again and just tone it down a bit. You guys, smoky eyes are like the easiest eyeshadow look to do. It's so straightforward. The same thing works every time, so I don't see the big deal. I like it because like you are cheating, like you do so little and you come out with like your eyes look so mad, like you did something so extra. So it's just about learning that technique. So I'm going to repeat this on my other eye, then I'm going to go to the next step. So the next thing I always like to do is to tight line. Yes, tight lining for smoky eye is just appropriate. Like you want everything to be black all through, so you can use any kajal or black pencil. And tight lining means you line the upper waterline also. So I'm taking it up now, my upper waterline. It's always very dramatic doing this on clients. Like many people are not used to putting liner in their upper waterline, but it just gives that very nice all black smoky effect. You can see I dragged some of the black to my lash line also. So you take that shader brush again and dip it into that black eyeshadow, then you set underneath the liner with that black eyeshadow and smoke it out, like you shade it. That's what a shader brush is for. And you join it to the upper part so it just looks like it continues. I'm going to blend it back. You can decide to just smoke out the outer part, or you can take it all the way in. Depends on your preference. I like to concentrate more on the outer part too. So I'm blending further so that there's no black line or no harsh lines. Okay. Tapered end kabuki. Just blend underneath my eye too, like so. Another very useful tip in smoky eye application is applying like a silvery color to your waterline, your tear duct area. So I'm going to take some of the pearly shades from this highlighter palette and apply in my waterline. Okay, so I'm using this spot liner brush to do that. My tear duct area, I don't know why I keep saying waterline. Can use a silver shadow for this step. Can you see that? Another point is to try to avoid applying the black in here, like it doesn't look good that way. So you just blend it into the eye, okay, so it doesn't look too sudden and it just flows with the smoky eye. So this is the finished look. This is a classic smoky eye. Like anywhere you go, this is what a smoky eye looks like. You can make it a bit, you know, calmer than this, and you can make it even more full-blown than this. Now another thing you can do, like this is the basic base for any smoky look. Now if you want to add like maybe another color in the middle or glitter, you can go ahead and do that, but it has to have a black base. If you know you're going to use like blue or purple, you don't even have to apply the black eyeshadow, just go straight with your blue or purple matte color preferably, but you can use a mineral color. So I want to do a glitter look, so I want to use a black glitter on top of this black eyeshadow. So I'm taking this black glitter from Ricci in black diamonds. I love this glitter so much, so I'm going to use it for this step. Like I think matte eyeshadows are just the best for smoky eye looks, so instead of trying to get that effect with a mineral shadow and it looks somehow, just put a glitter on top instead, black glitter. I usually do this step before my foundation so I don't mess it up, but for the purpose of this video I just decided to do this. You can see glitter is getting on my face, but if you are careful enough, you know, it won't look so bad. So after this I just use my mascara. I don't bother using my liner, there's nothing to line, so I've already tight lined, so I just use my mascara. So you can choose to leave like this or you use your lashes. I want to apply some lashes, so I have my lashes on now. My lashes are from ibeautifi, very nice Nigerian brand, and when I'm out doing smoky eye looks, I like to like keep the lashes in between, not too dramatic so I don't end up looking like a witch, and not too light because it defeats the purpose. So this is just perfect. It's not too long but it has some volume. So I'll just continue with the rest of my face, do my lips, and that'll be the end of the look. I don't know about you, but smoky eye and nude lips are a match made in heaven. I'm using one of my favorite pairs, Zaron, Cappuccino, and Buttercub. So I'm applying that. Like smoky eyes are like dramatic, like the peak of drama, so you want to go a little subtle on the lips if you want, you know, the concentration to be on your eyes. So you know, some people do smoky eyes and red lips. I've done it and there's really no room to it, but sometimes if your eyes are dramatic, you keep the lips subtle. Gosh, I absolutely love this lipstick. Like this pair, match made in heaven. I did a video earlier about this lipstick and many other new lipsticks that I love so much. You guys should check it out. Of course, I'll apply my lip gloss. I'm using my clear gloss from Queenslyt Beauty Jhules. You see why highlighting is very important. Like, can you see the difference? Can you see the popping? Like, okay, I'm not going to obsess so much about my face. I'm just going to blend it all in, and I'll be back.
Child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. She promised.
Okay guys, this is my finished look. My braids are popping. Yes, So this is how you achieve your smoky eye look. You see, it's pretty nice, pretty wearable, makes you look instantly glamorous, and it's so easy, so many easy steps. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If it was so helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like my full face, check the description box below to see all the products I use. And please, the most important part, don't forget to subscribe to Honey Ricci on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, pretty please, and follow me on my social media. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at _honeyricci_, and I just launched my beauty store for beautiful skincare products and my own personal brand. So you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Honey Ricci Beauty, together like that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.
I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. I be child of the world. I don't become a child of the world.